going on in there, Whiskey? How's it going, everyone? Keeping an eye on your skies, especially at night. Drones everywhere, apparently. There's a lot of, real sightings are happening. UFOs, whatever you want to call it, but they're drones, okay? It's certainly not an alien invasion. And our government is playing games with us, right? I will show you I need to find these clips. I get them found, and hopefully it won't take me too long. I'll get this video uploaded. But I want to show because no one else has seen them. They be hearing about it. I mean, obviously some people have, but most people I talk to haven't heard that this official, and I believe maybe he's from the Pentagon or whatever, I don't remember for sure, but I'll find the clip and throw it up here. It's claiming that these are coming off of an Iranian mothership off our coast.
Jeff Van Drew of New Jersey, member of the House Judiciary Committee on the Hill right now. How do you address this at this point?
Well, here's the real deal, Harris. You know, I'm also on the Transportation Committee, on the Aviation Subcommittee, and I've gotten to know people. And from very high sources, very qualified sources, very responsible sources, I'm going to tell you the real deal. Iran launched a mothership probably about a month ago that contains these drones. That mothership is off, I'm going to tell you the deal. It's off the east coast of the United States of America. They've launched drones, is everything that we can see or hear. And again, these are from high sources. I don't say this lightly. Now, you know, we know there was a probability it could have been our own government. We know it's not our own government because they would have let us know. It could have been some really glorified hobbyists that were doing something unbelievable. They don't have the technology. But let's pretend that's possible. The third possibility was somebody, an adversarial country, doing this. Know that Iran made a deal with China to purchase drones, motherships, and technology in order to go forward. The sources I have are good. They can't reveal who they are because they are speaking to me in confidentiality. These drones should be shot down.
And some officials have come out and denied that, and he came back out and doubled down on it.
Sir, some people did not respect your answers yesterday when you were on our network with Harris. But you're on the Transportation Committee, you're on the Aviation Subcommittee, so you've got some chops. But, I mean, you pulled a pin and rolled it down the hall. And Jen Griffin took that question that you laid out yesterday to the Pentagon. Watch here.
Representative Jeff Van Drew, who is a Republican from New Jersey, was just on the air saying that Iran launched a mothership probably about a month ago that contains these drones.
There is not any truth to that. There is no Iranian ship off the coast of the United States, and there's no so-called mothership launching drones towards the United States.
So what were you talking about then, Congressman?
These drones very well could be launched from a ship. It could be hundreds of miles out at sea. These types of drones go much greater distances. These, again, are something that we normally don't see in the United States. So there is a real possibility. Could it be China? Absolutely. Could it be somebody else? It sure could. Here's the deal. They don't know what it is. They don't know what it's about. They haven't taken one down to analyze it. They have no idea where it comes from, but they know that it's not that. I mean, that's nonsense. They do not know what they're doing. Why don't they take one of them down, analyze it, and let us know what's really happening? I hope they know more than they're telling us, but that's disrespectful to the public and to Congress. It's about time they leveled with the truth. Hopefully they'll give us some information this afternoon.
Okay, so that's one thing to consider. For some reason, our government is lying to us. Right? Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about these drones? I don't know, does Elon Musk know anything about them? You know, you believe for 1 minute our own government don't know what's going on in our own skies? Horse shit, that's a lie. Our government's lying to us. Whatever it is, they want to be incompetent on purpose? Or is this allowing a so-called surprise attack? Something is up, that's for sure. And at the end of the day, it don't matter whose drones they are, guaranteed American tax dollars paid for them, okay? But if they're Iranian, that's certainly a concern. If they're Chinese, that's certainly a concern. But I'm saying an official has come out and said that they're Iranian. No matter what they are, this is not right. And our government needs to answer up. But this is just more proof that they're lying. They want us to believe that these are some hobbyists, people like you or me, just out here running around, flying car-sized drones around. Or shit, that's a lie. Oh, but we don't have no answers. We don't have no answers. They have the answers. They're not giving them. Prepare yourself. That's what I want to tell you. So this is some kind of government operation one way or another. Either it's something that our government is complicit in, or they themselves are pulling off. And it could be some kind of attack to blame someone else. It could be someone else just being allowed to attack us. It could be several scenarios. Our own government testing things that they're going to use to further enslave the world, right? Anyways, just be prepared and watch yourselves. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. Fear God and keep all of his commandments, for that is the whole duty of man. For God will bring every work into judgment with every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil. See ya.